Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel, and I am going to offer two awesome bundles for you, and these are limited time offer. So I have these 16-piece bundle, and the company is Lemon Crafts. As you all know, Lemon Crafts has really beautiful products, and designs are just stunning, super shabby. Some of them are shabby, some of them are not that shabby. They are bright but beautiful. So let's get started. I'm going to show you all 16 12 by 12 paper pads, but they are 8 full collections. I mean the 8 collections. I will show you. So you will get 2 pads of each collections, like designer paper pad and the pattern paper pad. So those are 8 collections, but since they are 2, it's 16-piece bundle. So let's get started. So this collection called Violet Silence, and it's really pretty. I have already shown each and every paper in my previous videos, so I will have a link below in the description box, or they are in my playlist somewhere, so you can check it out. So these 2 are in this kit. Then their recent collection called Yesterday, which is just a beautiful, very shabby, very pastel colored, and this is one of their popular collections. So I have this pattern and the designer. Sorry. Then we have really bright, beautiful and bold. This is one of the collection which I am personally in love with, since all the detail flowers and everything is so pretty, so happy. Yellow is always happy color. So this collection called Fresh Summer, and the pattern papers are also beautiful. Stunning collection. Then we will have one of their another popular collection called Forget Me Not, and these are patterns. I am so in love with their patterns, as well as their designer collection is super pretty. But sometimes pattern paper pad has most of the time dotted and only solid papers, but these patterns has really beautiful graphics, and this one is just to die for. I love this collection, beautiful. And then another blue collection which called Gossamer Blue. This is also such a wonderful collection which has really pretty bold blue colored roses and doily, and I love this collection because since this collection has brown and blue together, which goes always perfectly. You can make rustic patina looking projects using this collection. Super stunning collection, and it has a wood grain and doilies, everything here you can see. And then there is one more bright collection, but it's not too bright. It's really beautiful collection with such a pretty green. It's not like bright vibrant green, and the magenta color, and everywhere you can see the roses and everything, some distressing going on. And always in this collection you can see the rustic wood grain effect, and the solids are such a pretty papers. This collection is dear to me. So somehow I like these 2 colors together all the time. Such a pretty collection called Everyday Spring. And then this is their another super popular collection called Heart Painted, and I have very limited paper pads in this collection. That's what I have a limited bundle, since couple of the collections are now almost sold out. So whatever I have, I am just going to put in this bundle. So please feel free to check it out, this bundle, before it gets sold out. I have purchase link in the description box below, so please check it out. And I'm going to show you this one. It's called Heart Painted, and solid are super pretty, and these roses and everything is super shabby. This is such a pretty collection. And then I have their another super popular collections, I can say. Means this is the collection, it's immediately sold out when I got them in my hand. I'm glad I got more of these, so I can offer you this bundle. So this collection called House of Roses, I'm sure if you are a lemoncraft lover or fan, then you might know what this collection is. So this is stunning collection, and people are so crazy about this collection since it has really vintage looking roses, like those old-fashioned roses and some of the wild roses together, and the colors are really pretty. They are browns and light beige color with pink color. So this is like all-time favorite color pattern for every designer, I think, every shabby chic designer, I think. So this is the collection in this bundle. So it's 16-piece bundle for you, and purchase link is below in the description box. This is heavy bundle, so it's definitely going with priority medium size box, so please check it out. So I'm going to show you the another wonderful company, and I came up with this bundle, which is your favorite, I'm sure. It's everybody's favorite company, which is Stamperia, and I have their 10 terrific collections in this bundle. So let's get started. I'm not going to show you everything because I always show each and every page in my video when the collection come out market. So I'm going to show you all the collections here. First one is Dream, super shabby, super pretty, everybody's favorite dreamy collection. Then second one is Atlar, which is totally sewing related collection, and the colors are just stunning. As I said before, the rustic brownish colors perfectly goes with the blue, and this is my one of the favorite collections. So super pretty. And then I have a Flower Alphabet, which is really pretty collection. I just started making my project using this collection, and I'm going to show you real soon what I am up to with this collection. It has so many things you can play with, and I forgot to mention all these paper pads are 12 by 12, 10 designs of each. So it's called Alphabet. Stunning collection. Oh my goodness, I can't stop myself staring all those pretty designs. And there is another collection last year they came up, which is Clockwise, which is stunning collection if you are into steampunk or these kind of rustic old locks, clocks, watches, keys, these gears, and everything is there for you. And just amazing collection. Again, it's blue and rustic colored together, and there is some kind of lace fabric thing is here. I can show you right here. This is like tea dye kind of lace fabric. Amazing collection. So this one is here. There is another mixed media collection here, which is Time is an Illusion. It is one of my favorite collections. Somehow I'm not sure what special in this one. I don't know, but I fell in love with this collection when I opened it first time. I think I fell in love with this collection since I love mixed media, I love rustic things, I love shabby chics, and I love kind of whimsy crazy things, and everything is in this collection. You can see this is like a mixed media colors going on. All the rustic things are here. This is kind of vintage color theme going on, and it's whimsical, some images there, and again there are some shabbiness going on. You can see all the roses here and there. Means I myself kept few of these paper pads. I'm not going to sell them. Just in love with this collection, and I'm glad I'm able to put this pad in this bundle. Then another shabby chic collection is here, which is Roses and Laces. This is stunning. I'm not sure if you saw the video of this paper pad when I was showing each and every pages. This is like wow. You have to have this collection. It's super pretty collection. So this one is here, and there this year's new collection 2018's collection is a garden, and lots of people fell in love with this collection. I get so many orders, so many requests to get. When I was sold out, I got so many emails to get this collection back in stock, so I ordered them and ordered so many so I could able to put in this bundle for you. This is really beautiful collection if you are into gardening, and it has so many of course the name is garden, so many garden related images and sayings and quotes and everything is there. I have shown each and every paper in my previous video if you want to check it out. So garden collection is there. Then this is another new collection which I got a month back. So this is called Patchwork, and if you are into vibrant bold color or patchwork things, this is for you. It's really cute collection, and it has so many big and bold images. You can fussy cut them and use as a patchwork kind of for your project. Just a superb collection. And this is another stunning shabby chic collection. I just ordered them. It is actually old collection, but I ordered them for this bundle, which is precious. This is such a precious collection which has so many beautiful roses and patterns, so you can use in your shabby projects. So this one is included, and there is another new collection which is the 10th paper pad from this bundle, which called Ceremony. I have shown this full collection in my last video, and so I had a kit using this collection, and people just loved it. It has a kind of wedding theme going on, but it's not totally ceremony or wedding related, as I mentioned in my previous video, since it has couple of pages which says save the date and everything. But overall this is shabby chic, totally shabby chic collection, which has so many laces, appliques and flowers, everything there. So this is the another collection I have in this bundle. So as I mentioned, I have limited quantity of bundles. I have individual items. If you want to get any of this collection, you can check it out craftycity.com, but if you want this bundle, I have a link below. It is also on craftycity.com, but there is a direct link in the description box just to purchase these bundles. So thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.